Hello my dear friends, I hope you all are doing very good, and this would be a rare kind of video which is rarely seen on the YouTube. I think this is the first kind of video you will see on the YouTube. So please watch it till end. Today I am going to reveal University of Hyderabad का जो PhD का एग्ज़ाम होता है OMR sheet कैसा होता है, because this is exclusive from the inside hall of exam. When you will be inside the hall of exam, then you will get such kind of OMR. This is my, you can see that, Navneet Misra of 2019 when I wrote the MPhil examination. So I got this OMR and I think still it is the same condition till 22 में भी इस तरह थे, but during COVID time they were not giving the OMR sheet back to you, but in some cases we have found कि दे विल गिव बैक टू द OMR. आप जब OMR रंग करोगे तो वन पेपर दे विल गिव एंड द कार्बन कॉपी, और दैट इज़ द ब्लू कलर वाला, यू विल गेट योर ऑन. तो सबसे पहले वन थिंग आई मस्ट टेल यू कि 20 को आपका एडमिट कार्ड आ जाएगा. यू विल गेट एडमिट कार्ड ऑन योर 20 जून एंड 24 एंड 25 जून 2023 PhD 41 कोर्सेज यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद एग्जाम है. दिस इज एन एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो एंड हियर यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज़ नॉट ओनली फॉर द इकोनॉमिक्स. पेपर में वेरी, अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि पेपर कैसा होता है. द मोमेंट यू विल गेट द पेपर, द फर्स्ट पेज, आई विल जस्ट शो यू द पेपर इन जस्ट 20-30 सेकंड. जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. So here you don't have to mention anything, just you have to write your name and accordingly you have to fill it. Many people, sometimes there are 70 questions, sometimes 80 questions. I think in our time it was 70 questions and you have to bubble. In some cases there are negative marking, in some cases there are no negative marking, so you have to read it on the first page. So is there is negative marking or not? It varies, sometimes year wise or sometimes subject wise. So chalo, let's see what is written on the first page of the question paper. So this is the question paper of 2019. Similarly, almost same, you will have question paper of 2023 PhD. Now the MPhil is removed as per new education policy. So here completely written, read the instructions carefully before answering. Clear? And it is also written there will be part A and part B, both will carry 35 questions. Point number 7, each question carry 1 mark and there is no negative marking. Similarly, in your question it would be written maybe no negative marking, maybe yes negative marking, and how much it is written. And question paper will be of 18 pages. So this was the complete detail. And one more thing I must tell you regarding PhD entrance examination, many people need not to write entrance exam. People who are exempted from PhD, you please go to the list. I have also uploaded on my Telegram channel. Telegram link is just given below, and they have written that these courses are exempted from entrance. That means that you can directly, if you have JRF, directly go to the interview. Just you have to apply, no need to write the entrance. Mostly science subjects are there. Okay, so this is the guide detail. If anyone wants to join NviNomics CUT PG economics entrance exam, UGC NET JRF exam, so you can join, and here you will get all kinds of courses at affordable price is very low, hardly 3,000-4,000, which is the minimum in entire India. And we will be covering all topics of syllabus, CUT PG economics 24 batch as well as UGC NET JRF December 23 batch. So any of your friend who are preparing for it, or any of your brother, sister, cousins, do check out free lectures. 7-8 free lectures are there on the NviNomics app. Link is given below. Just download the NviNomics app, and once you download it, automatically you will get so many free lectures, free materials, free PDFs on the study material section. Okay, so guys, subscribe the channel, stay tuned till your admission. I will be with you, no need to worry, and join the Telegram link. Telegram link is just given below. I give all the updates there regarding CUT, UG, PG, PhD. Okay guys, take care of yourself. Bye bye, see you soon in the next video. All the best for your exam guys.